Welcome to the Get Digital Marketing Results podcast, where we give you information and actionable tips to grow your organization.
Hi, I'm Bob Clark.
And I'm Donna Botti. We're with DeloSync, and we make the web work for you. In today's Tech News Tuesday episode, we're talking about how to create content that gets your local business noticed. In today's digital landscape, it's not just about having a presence online. It's about reaching and connecting within your community.
That's right, Donna. With so much generic and now AI-generated content out there, your local business has a great opportunity to showcase your personality, that you are part of the community, and the local value you provide.
Exactly, Bob. First, make sure that you are on the map so Google knows what is local to you.
That's key, Donna. It's all about making it easy for people to do business with you. Claiming and updating your Google business profile is a great start. People want to know your hours, location, and how to contact you.
It's true. And don't forget to post regular updates and photos to keep your profile fresh. Showcase the experience of working with you through customer reviews, an informative about page, and featuring your local employees. Being on the map is really important for having local customers find you.
Think about all the common questions your audience asks. This information should be available online, including how to work with you and what it costs. You don't have to be exact, but people want to know what they can expect before they contact you.
Cost is always a popular search term, so lean into that. And then how are you supporting the community? Publicizing what you are doing and sharing information about your community, like events and sponsorships, shows that you are actively involved in the area.
Start using video, and if you are using it, do more. People want to see that you are real. Tutorials, helpful tips, things you're doing in your local community, and the behind-the-scenes videos are just a few ways you can use video to engage your audience.
And have you checked the words that you use? It's important to use language that your customers use and understand. Don't get too technical. Keep it simple and relatable.
Make sure to regularly get and respond to reviews on Google and other review sites. Building trust among your customers and prospects is key to long-term success.
Absolutely, Bob. If you'll recall, my definition of digital marketing is building relationships with your audience and customers. By establishing your local business as an authentic member of the community, you'll get noticed and more business.
And that's it for today's episode. You can find some links on this topic at delosync.com/episode 346. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on actionable digital marketing tips to grow your organization.